A crowdsourcing platform sent me over $400 doing some simple jobs that I'm going to show you in this video. But first, I will need to go ahead and refresh this page so that you believe what you see here is not a screenshot. And if I hit on this refresh button right here, you're going to wait a little bit. Boom, everything remain the same. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the same process step by step, just the way I was able to generate this money. And you want to stick to the end of the video. And having said that, let's jump into the video right away. The first thing we need to do is to come over to this website called Juma Workers. Juma Workers is a crowdsourcing platform that aims at bringing together employers and workers from around the world. With a dedicated team who have high experience in delivering customer value, they also provide flexible and scalable workforce for business that needs specific skills or expertise for short-term projects. And these projects can be product testing, data collection and analysis, translation and transcription, search engine optimization, survey, research, and so much more. And you can see we have many ways of which we can use to make money from this website. And I'm going to walk you through most of the methods that are going to guarantee you lots of money. The first thing we need to do is to create our account on this platform. And for you to do that, you want to come back to where it says sign up. You want to hit on that button. You're going to be on this page just like this. What you need to do is to put in your first name, your last name, write your email address, create a username, create your password, and then you want to confirm your password. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and select your gender. And once you select your gender, you want to select your country. They're going to ask you a referral code. That's actually optional. If you have a referral code, just go ahead and use it. But I don't want to use the referral code in starting this video. And once you've done that, you want to come back to where it says I agree to Juma Workers terms and privacy policy. Once you've done that, you want to hit on sign up. Just like every other website, they're going to send you an email for verification. If you verify that email, your account is going to be created. And once you log in into your brand new account, it's going to look something exactly like this. Everything is going to be 00 on your new account. There are 4 ways to make money from this platform. And one of the way happens to be micro jobs. And these are the micro jobs that you can actually engage with. And at the end, they will pay you some pennies. And at the same time, there is something we call hiring jobs. These jobs tends to pay higher more than the micro jobs. And again, there is something called paid surveys and offers. If you click on that, you're going to have most of this platform where you can take out the survey. And once you hit on any of this, you're going to see the time that it's going to take you to carry out a particular offer. And most of this money are sent, but we're not going to be making money through the survey. I'm going to walk you through most of the 3 methods, and then I'm going to reveal to you the strategy that enable me to earn over $400. Firstly, if you come over to the micro jobs, for the people that would like to carry out the micro jobs, you can come over here and choose any of the jobs that you would like to carry out. Like this one is very simple. I said YouTube subscriber. If you hit on the button, you're going to see the details on what you need to do in order for you to be able to complete the offer and at the end of the day get paid. Okay, like this particular one is going to refer you to his page. If you read everything here, you're going to understand what he's talking about. If you return to the micro workers, here they are going to be paying you 8 cents, 5 cents, 3 cents, 20 cents, 55 cents. This 55 cents is actually a Facebook page, and as we did before, if you click on the page, you're going to see all the details, all the information that you basically needed in order to be able to complete the offer and the end get paid. And let's assume you want to engage with this Facebook page right here. Firstly, this particular publisher right here wants an older Facebook that should be 2018 or even older. And even if the page is with 0 like, it will still be able to accept it. It just wants you to have that kind of page. At the end, you're going to add this user as a friend, and then he will be the person that is going to be running the Facebook, which basically means that you are selling the Facebook page to this publisher right here. And at the end of the day, he's going to pay you 55 cents. That's another one. You can still go ahead and check any of the one that you would like to carry out right here. But if you also come over to the HIn Jobs, here they tend to pay even more higher. Okay, you're going to read what it's all about. Like this one that is going to pay you $1 is for you to create a short video just for him. Like this one right here is going to pay you $3 for you to create a YouTube thumbnail for him. If you want to know what the offer is all about, you want to go ahead and click on the offer, and then you're going to read some of the job description. Like here it's saying you have to design an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for my video. You will create a nice video that attracts attention and make viewer curious about the content. And once you create this thumbnail, of which is very easy, at the end it's going to pay you $3. These are some of the ways that you can make money from this platform. And now I'm going to reveal to you how I was able to generate $400 using the power of this platform, Juma Workers. If you come over to this tab right here, you're going to see that it says refer and get $2. If you click on that button, you're going to be on this page just like this. Here it says click the social icon above to share your affiliate link or code with your friends, and you will get $2 for every verified invite, just as it is written everything here is very simple. It's very simple. These are strategies that enable me to generate over $400. They have even measured the traffic source of which you can use. You can come over to your WhatsApp. Most of you might have at least close friends and family. If you can have at least 10 family friends or 10 real friends to sign up on this website, those 10 friends are going to make you already $20. Okay, they don't need to do anything, just for them to create their account, just as the way you created your account. The way you created your account, that is the same way you're going to walk them through to create their account. If they verify their email, just the way you verify your email, you're going to be paid $2. And the same thing apply to Facebook. I believe you might have some of close friends also on Facebook. If you message them, telling them about this website, all they need to do is just for them to sign up. If they are your real friend, you might be open up to them, say when they sign up, at the end you're going to get some commission. But if they are not your real friend, you can in one way or the other manipulate them to sign up, and at the end what interests you is this $2 right here. And the same thing apply to even Instagram. If you have Instagram account, Facebook Messenger, or even if you have TikTok, you can also go to TikTok, or even some Telegram channel. If you paste this kind of link in Telegram channel, some of the Telegram channel that talks about money, trust me, some people are going to sign up, and at the end of the day you're going to be getting this $2 from each user that you referred. Okay, now if we are to make a theoretical example by numbers multiplication based on your potential referrals, you're going to see that if you can refer at least 20 people, multiply by the $2 that they're going to pay you, that already is going to make you $40. But what if you are able to generate at least 100 people just to sign up times the $2 they are going to pay you? That's going to generate you $400. The more you refer people on this site, the more you're going to earn using this strategy that I'm talking about. If you are able to refer at least 500 people to sign up, trust me, at the end of the day you're going to be making $1,000. And if all of these people are able to sign up in a single day, you are going to be making $1,000 in a single day. It's simple, right? You're going to start with people that are close to you, and once you have those people that are close to you, go to any Telegram channel, paste your referral link, write something that is going to catch their attention, and at the end of the day most of them are going to be signing up. And you use WhatsApp, you use Facebook, you use any social media where you know that there are some audience. And at the same time, if you come over to Facebook and join most of this group here that are talking about make money online, try to provide some value and then say, hey, I have this website that is currently paying people, that is currently offering job. I think most of you might be interested in checking it out. If you say something like that, though you are not selling them out, but trust me, some of them will still go ahead and create their account. But if you want to be exaggerated, you can go ahead and put some clickbaiting words that are going to make them to click to create their account. Trust me, doing it this way, at the end of the day, receiving $2, you're going to be at the point of making maybe $400 or even something more than this. It's going to depend on how you are able to refer these people. Okay, and if by any means you don't want to make money in this way, or you feel that you don't like this method, this video right here that is going to pop up is going to show you different way and different strategy that you can use to make money online. So click on this video and I will see you there. Cheers, peace out.